Hi, it's Karen at Nebraska Quilt Company in Fremont, Nebraska. We are your Nebraska Stripology Partner shop. And so we have Stripology classes going all the time, so check out our calendar. But today I just wanted to show you a simple how to use the Stripology ruler. I am actually going to make this quin pattern. I'm going to lay it down here. So I'm going to make this quin pattern. I'm going to actually make it out of these fabrics. I'm going to make the throw size. So it's 56 by 70 inches, 56 by 70 inches, and I needed 7 half-yard cuts. And so I'm using this Sassy and Tweet line. It's a beautiful batik line by Riley Blake. And then I needed an accent fabric and a binding fabric or sashing fabric. So this is my accent, this pretty little turquoise, and this is going to be my sashing fabric. But I'm just going to show you how easy it is to use the Stripology rulers to cut. I'm just going to do one of my cuts for you. I'm going to go ahead and take 2 of my half-yard project pieces of fabric here. So there it is on the, I'm going to fold it. I should have no problems cutting 8 layers of fabric. So there's 4 layers right there. Let me get the other one out here. And I have 4 layers there. So I have 8 layers of fabric. Now these Stripology rulers are amazing. Today I'm going to use the Stripology extra large ruler. I'm going to line these fabrics up on a line on my cutting mat. I still want to make sure I can see both layers of my fabric. And I am going to line that black line up on my Stripology ruler. There's a lot of meaningful information on the bottom of the Stripology ruler. Of course, you have your inches, but Gudrun, who has designed this ruler from GE Designs, she puts squares where there's 2.5 inches. Okay? She also designs these wonderful ruler stickers. So I have taken these ruler stickers and I have put them where I'm going to make my cuts today because my pattern wants me to make 6.5 inch cuts, a 3.5 inch cut, and 2 2.5 inch cuts. So I'm going to line it all up. It's best if you're cutting through this many layers to use the 60-degree blade or the 60 ruler blade. I'm going to go into that 0. There is a lot of sticky stuff on the back of these rulers, so you don't have to worry about it moving. And I'm going to just simply hold it here with my hands and just apply the right amount of pressure to go through at the 0, my 6.5, then I'm going to go at my 10 to get my 3.5. I'm going to do 2 2.5s. And with all of that, as easy as that, I have my strips made. Okay? So now, my project, I need to make, out of each half-yard cut, I need to make 6 blocks that are 6.5. I'm going to double check my measurements, but I'm going to get these laid out. Okay. I'm going to lay them straight on that line. I'm making 6 6.5 inch squares. So it's as easy as this. I'm going to line it up again. On that 0, I'm going to cut at the 0 and at my 6.5. And then now I'm going to go up to 13. And then I'm going to go to 18.5. And I'm going to have all my squares cut. So it's as easy as that. Gudrun's patterns are very user-friendly. She has lots of sizes available for you to make your quilt. Her patterns, if you don't have the Stripology rulers, you can use regular rulers. She writes her patterns to make it very versatile for anybody. So please come check out Nebraska Quilt Company's classes. We'd love to see you in store at one of our classes, and you have a wonderful day.